Hello, myself Sonali Wagh. In this video, I am going to discuss about introduction to microcontroller. In this video, I will cover introduction to microcontroller and difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Now let us see about microcontroller. Microcontroller is one of the powerful control system which can be used for the measurement and control applications in industry as well as a specific application. Microcontroller is also called as computer on chip because it has all the features of a computer including CPU, inbuilt clock, then read-only memory, random access memory, I/O ports with some special features such as serial communication, ADC, etc. This is how a microcontroller IC looks. Microcontroller is a general purpose device which is used to read data, to perform limited calculations on the data and control its environment based on those calculations. Its main use is to control the operation of a machine using a fixed program that is stored in its ROM memory and that does not change over the lifetime of the system. That means unless and until a user will change it, and this is also possible only if we have programmable memory. Otherwise we cannot edit the program once it is loaded into the ROM memory because it is read-only memory. A special application of microcontroller is for data logging as well as monitoring and recording the different environmental, physical and chemical parameters like temperature, moisture, humidity. In addition to these applications like home monitoring systems, embedded processors are used in home appliances. Embedded processors means it has both combination of hardware as well as software. Microcontrollers have many advantages over microprocessors, especially in the areas where we need compact systems. So the integration and saving of space is required. In such applications, microcontrollers are used. This is how the microcontroller structure is there. So it is the architecture of microcontroller. It has different timers, then central processing units, interrupts, watchdog timer, program memory is there, special function registers are there. So all these components are on chip. These are included in the chip of microcontroller. So let us see difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor is basically used in computer system and it is the heart of the computer, whereas microcontroller is used in embedded systems. Embedded systems are designed to perform a specific task. For example, a coffee vending machine, a digital clock, washing machine. See, such systems are embedded systems. Microprocessors consist of memory and I/O components which are externally connected. Those are not on chip. Then microcontrollers consist of inbuilt internal memory and I/O ports, input output ports. Since in microprocessor, memory and I/O components are externally connected, the circuit becomes large. It takes more space. In case of microcontroller, memory and I/O components are inbuilt, those are on chip. Hence, the circuit becomes small and compact. If we consider cost factor, then the cost of the entire microprocessor system is more as compared to microcontroller. Hence, controllers are cheaper than microprocessors. In microprocessor, total power consumption is high with microcontrollers, so it cannot be used in battery operated systems. In case of microcontrollers, total power consumption is less and hence it can be used in battery operated devices. Most of the microprocessors do not have power saving features, whereas most of the microcontrollers have modes like idle mode. This helps reducing power consumption even more. In microprocessor, as memory and IO components are externally connected, each instruction will need external operation, which takes more time. So it is relatively slow. In case of microcontroller, components are inbuilt. Most of the operations are done by internal instructions. Hence, speed of microcontroller is fast. Then microprocessors are based on von Neumann architecture, where program and data are stored in same memory module. But in microcontrollers, Harvard architecture is used, and in Harvard architecture, program memory and data memory are separate. So this increases the speed of the controller. See here, we can see in this picture von Neumann architecture is shown, and here the Harvard architecture is shown. In von Neumann architecture, both program and data memory are stored in same memory, and in Harvard architecture, here program memory and data memory both are separate, so it reduces the time to execute data and instructions. Mainly the microprocessors are used in personal computers, whereas microcontrollers are used in MP3 players, standalone systems, and variety of automation uh, is provided in systems. So such systems are based on microcontrollers. So this is all about the microcontroller and difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Thank you for watching.